Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will tell you about the social behavior of the animal. First of all, I tell you what is social behavior. Social behavior. Basically, social behavior it is interactions between the animals. I mean to say, when animal want to communicate with other animal, he shows some sort of behavior. So that is known as social behavior. So for example, this social behavior in this animal may show the aggregations to the any other animals. Understand? Or sometime he show for communication, or his behavior show aggressions, or sometimes show the communication way of communication. So in this behavior, we exclude the predator-prey relationship. Predator-prey relationship is only for the desirement of the food, but social behavior is basically the way of communication behavior that involve the between the two similar species of the same population, or maybe involves between the different species, but mostly between the same species of the same population. So that's why we exclude the predator-prey relationships. We find out that all animals that are living in group show some behavior. So that's why they are called the social behavior. Basically, they live in a community and they show the behavior. That is also known as social behavior. So many vertebrates and invertebrates have a kind of a social behavior. Understand? So there are many various advantages of the social behavior. For example, when animals live in the form of communities, they provide protections. Understand? For example, whenever any prey present in the groups, as a result, the animal while living in a group safe from the predators. So while during the condition of the breeding, for example, rearing the young swans and mating conditions, they are also very important for the selections of the variety for the new productions. So the social instinct have also some in evolutionary deviance of labors. I mean to say, they are very important. The social behavior is very important for the defense, for searching of foods, for the reproduction. So these are the basic advantages of the social behavior of the animal. Understand? Social behavior is basically the interaction between member of the animal while living in the groups. In group, how animals show the behavior. Understand? While living in a group, how animals show behavior. So basically, it is the interaction between the animal of the same species and animal, different species, but excluded the predator-prey relationships. Because in animal, while living in the community, they while showing the social behavior. So they don't have a predator-prey relationship, but sometimes they show aggression in some cases, and I will tell you about in the next. So these are the basic advantages. So here are some of these advantages. You know that disadvantages means sometimes the animal disadvantages. Sometimes the animals while living in the groups, competitions involved. For example, Drosophila fly feeding over the rotten bread. So one Drosophila fly wishes to eat more bread as compared to other fly. So these competition involves for the foods, for the place, and other competitions for the selection of the species, for the reproduction. So these are the competition. On the other hand, there are some diseases involved between the parasite, between for the bacterial infection, for the other infection may also involve. Understand? So on the other hand, the value of the group, जो किसी भी स्पीशीज की जो वैल्यू होती है वो डिपेंड करती है on the behaviors, which are the behaviors involved. Understand? So basically, some advantages mean to say sometimes species have a disease, individual while living in the community groups have some disease. So in this case, it may separate to the whole community of the behavior social animal. Understand? So when animal living in the community, some of the diseases involves with the passage of time, parasitic diseases involved. On the other hand, the competitions involved. So competition for space, competition for foods, competition for selecting a new variety of the animals. So these are the disadvantages which is for in the animal living in the groups. So why animals living in groups, they show some types of behavior. Social behavior is basically the community of the animal while living together. Why in this community an animal of the same species, same population show some behavior so that avoid any other animals to comes in the personal matter. Mean to say to create limitations, to create some space. So that's why the animals show some behavior. Understand? So agnostics behavior is basically the behavior even any animals while living in a group community show some aggressions. In these aggressions, understand, maybe for creating limitations. For example, an animal breeds with the show mating with the male animal, show mating with the female. So in this situation, he create a aggressiveness behavior. So any other animal male avoid to enter in such area. Understand? These are the basics kind of behavior. In this behavior, an animal may attack but other animal of the same species, but the other animal which are under attacks not kill but severe injures. So these are the behavior. Mostly say that agnostic behavior is antisocial because the animal killing the animal of the same species belong to the same population. So here there are some other hierarchies. What are the steps the animals show this type of behavior? Territories and dominance hierarchies. So let's study about this. Social behavior. Are you looking at these are the social behavior? Understand between the animal of the same species. So a territory's behavior hierarchy is basically the system. Animals set up the area to avoid any other animals to enter in such area. Understand? So these sites is known as the territories, and the competing individuals are excluded from it. So the animals which are under competing, mean to say competing, undergo the competition are excluded. Breeding territory of the birds, mean to say an animal undergo the breeding. So these are the breeding territories of the bird. Is the show starts kind of the hierarchy that is called territory hierarchies. So the other animals territories, for example, provide the signal for attacking, for dangers. So for example, in this system, a territory behavior hierarchies may when animal shows usually for matings and the breeding of the young one. When animals show this kind of behavior, understand? They basically the set up the area. By setting up this area, of the territories, animal hierarchy system. So this provide the signal for the entering of the predator in such area, or may other territories provide us food supply and shelters. Understand? Shelters. When animal set up this area, so the other animal may identify that an animal undergo the breathing condition. So the other animals provide the signal for attacking of the predator, for the coming of the predators, and also provide food supply. So the other behavior is the dominance behavior, in which some member of the animal have a greater hold on the foods or other interaction or matters than other. For example, when we give some grain to the chick, understand? Chick family groups of animal. So the larger animal feed first on this grain, and with the passage of time, that is transferred into the lower member of the chick, other member of the chicks. So in this system, a leader is considered. A leader lead the community of the animals. So the older animal of this group lead the leaders. Understand? So there are the step-by-step mechanism, mean to say the step-by-step shifting of the foods, step-by-step shifting of the selecting of the new varieties. So basically there are the picking order system is involved, understand? So there is a proper ranks. In this rank the food is processed from the status to status of the animal. Meant to say the higher animals have greater health member of this animal have greater hold on the food as compared to the other. So a linear hierarchy of the dominance. Linear hierarchy of the dominance is set up in this system. Basically, this system, when set up, understand? When this system of the hierarchy is set up, mean to say it has many forms. Mean to say the triangular, the linear, the rectangular. Understand? These are the proper shapes. Mean to say how animals show the dominance hierarchy system. Understand? So in this dominance hierarchy system, a leader is considered, and they have the greater hold on the foods and selecting of the variety of the animal for breeding and somehow. So these are the proper systematic study. Understand? So hope you understand. If you have any query, any question, you may ask in the comment section. I shall be available for any time for you answer the question. So Allah